What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today, as you might be able to tell from the intro of me shaking this can and probably the thumbnail and title of the video, we are going to be Plasti dipping the badges on the side of my truck. Now currently on the one side I have the Plasti dip just like the base black on the other side of the truck, but given this color of the truck and given also the red interior that I have inside the truck, I had this guy laying around and I was thinking to myself, man, I wonder if this red would look good on the badging of the truck. So as you can see, I've got everything prepped, taped off right now. Plasti dip bottles are dropping all over the place. We're gonna give this guy a shake. We're gonna dip these badges and we're gonna see what it looks like.
It's time to get to work. Get to work, boys.
So with standard Plasti dip, the first coat should be very, very light, only about 50% coverage. As you can see, not completely covered, only slightly. And once, basically what you're doing is you're spraying it down lightly so you give the later coats something to really like stick and adhere to. So we'll let this guy dry about 10 minutes in between coats and we'll start going a little bit heavier as we go. So another reason I want to see how the red looks like in contrast to the Leadfoot gray that I've got right now is because I'm thinking about adding the FORD letters to the Raptor style grill that I have on the truck right now. So as you can obviously see, it's all black right now. Depending on what the red looks like on the side badges, the side emblems of the truck, I might be Plasti dipping the FORD red and adding it to the front of the truck. So one, I want to see what it looks like on the side, but two, I'm also kind of thinking ahead for my next project with these letters. Alright, we've applied some heavier coats. As you can see, it's pretty wet right now. It's starting to really smooth out nice and easy. Not really sure what that little cobweb looking thing is in there, but it's starting to look better. Probably only got about maybe one more of these super heavy coats or two more. But I'm excited to see what it's going to look like with the Leadfoot gray and then this sharp contrast to this red. And the last coat is on. I don't know if it's the lighting, but it looks a lot brighter right now than like the can looks. I don't know, but I'm excited to see what it looks like. We're gonna let this guy dry. We're gonna take it out into the sunlight. We're gonna do, we're gonna peel it off. Obviously, we're gonna take this tape off. We're gonna peel off all the excess around it, buff out any of the excess overspray in the surrounding areas, and we'll show you guys what this looks like as opposed to the black Plasti dip badges on the other side of the truck. Okay guys, so the red part is completely finished, it's dry, I peeled back everything. Fun fact, if you're having trouble removing some Plasti dip or some stuff from like tight corners or whatever, a plastic fork or a toothpick works really, really well for getting the Plasti dip out of those small little corners and spaces. But like I said, the red part's completely done now, so enjoy the B-roll of the red side and then the comparison to the black side. guys, I hope you enjoyed those little side-by-side shots of the red and how the black looks. The black obviously complements the rest of the truck with the wheels and you know, like the mirrors and everything being black, but the red is such a nice, cool pop of color, especially when you're looking at it from a distance. That thing sticks out like a sore thumb, but in a good way. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should I put red on the other side? Should I take the red off and do black on both sides? Let me know. I'm gonna do what I typically do and drive around with this thing on the truck for a week and really give it a fair shot before I make my decision. And then based off of that, we might do the red lettering across the front, or we also might be doing, let me see if I can find where that is. Here we go. I bought some color matched Leadfoot gray and clear coat paint that is a factory match to this, that if I don't do the red letters across the grill, I'm going to do a color matched Leadfoot gray F-O-R-D across the front of the truck. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I really like to hear your guys' opinions. I don't even care if you totally disagree with me, you think it looks terrible, you think it looks great, or you think anything. I just want you guys to give me some feedback and interact, because you never know, your opinion might alter someone else's opinion or make them see something from a different point of view that they didn't think of in the first place. But thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next video.